Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I am going to show you how to update a custom preset in DaVinci Resolve 19. So if you're working with DaVinci Resolve 19 and you have created some preset and you'd like to make some small changes to it, change some configuration to your export, and it's very easy. What you want to do, click on delivery at the bottom here. It's going to take you over to your export section here of the DaVinci Resolve tool. Now, what you want to do, you want to ensure that you first select the preset that you want to update. So let's say I want to update one of those presets. To find the presets, you want to click on the upper left hand side, right beside the name where you find a preset. You'll see a drop down. Click on this drop down, select the preset that you want to change, then make your changes to it. So let's say I want to change this from the MKV format to, let's say, MP4, and that's it. Now you don't have an option to save it here. You can just go ahead and, let's say, add to the render queue and you can start to export. But to save these changes, you want to click the three dots here on the upper right hand side of this left side panel. And then you want to go down to this preset. Then you'll find the option that says update preset. Now if I click update preset, it's going to give me a pop-up and say update. So as you can see, it said this will permanently change the selected preset. You can't undo it, so it doesn't matter if you want to do it, click on update. And now if you switch between the previous presets, let's say I want to switch between these two presets and go back to the previous one, you will now see that this preset have the changes that I've made to it, and it's now showing MP4. And that's it. So if you have a preset, guys, and you'd like to make changes to it and update it, this is how you do it. You have to first select it from the presets, and then you can make the changes that you want. Then click the three dots on the upper right hand side, go down to the presets, and then click update preset. And that's it.